Welcome to JH. In this tutorial, I will demonstrate how to change your Hotmail verification email address quickly and efficiently. Whether you are updating your details for better security or simply streamlining your account management, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process. Let's get started. First, navigate to the Outlook login page. This is the primary hub for accessing your mail and adjusting settings. You can easily find this page by searching for Outlook or Microsoft 365 login in your web browser. Once there, click the Sign In button and enter your credentials. If your device has saved your login info, you might be signed in automatically. Otherwise, just provide your email and password to continue. After logging in, go to your mail dashboard. This is usually the default screen, but if not, you can find it by selecting the mail icon from the available options. Once your inbox is open, locate the profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Click this icon to open a drop-down menu and select My Microsoft Account. This will take you to a new page where you can manage every aspect of your account in detail. On the Microsoft Account page, look for the Your Info tab, which is typically found in the top menu or the sidebar. Clicking this will open a section containing your personal data and settings. To modify your contact details, click on Edit Account Info. This is the specific area where you manage your security and contact preferences. Once you are in the Account Info section, you will see an option to add or change your associated email addresses. Click on Add Email to proceed. Here, you have a few choices. You can highlight an existing email or add a completely new one. You can also set up an existing address as a Microsoft account alias, which is very useful if you want to use a secondary account for verification. After adding your new email, remember to complete the verification process as prompted by Microsoft. This usually involves clicking a confirmation link sent to the new address to prove you are the rightful owner. This essential step secures your account and finishes the update. You have now successfully changed your Hotmail verification email. Keeping this information current is vital for the security and accessibility of your account. I hope this guide was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.